Eurosport R125. Cash price. 45,800 piso. Down payment. 2,500 piso. In category. Underbone. In category. Underbone. Description. Features. Sporty signal light. Fuel efficient. Sporty muffler. Available colors. Black matte. Black red. Black orange. Engine. Engine type 4-stroke, single cylinder. Bore and stroke 54x54. Displacement 125 cc. Compression ratio 9.3, isa. Fuel system CARBURETOR. Cooling system air. Transmission. Dimensions at capacity. LXWXH 2000 by 810 by 1250. Ground clearance 138 manam. Fuel capacity 4.5 na litro. Dry weight 74 na kulang. Frame. Frame type UNDERBONE. Front suspension telescopic fork. Rear suspension swing arm. Front wheel 2.50 hanggang 17. Rear wheel 2.75 hanggang 17. Front brakes disc brake. Rear brakes drum brake. Performance. Max output 5.8 kW 7,500 revm. Max torque 8.5 Nm 5,000 revm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.